You didn't notice it at first. Just a little stiffness getting out of bed. A bit more fatigue walking across the room. You sat down harder than you meant to. And then, you stopped getting back up as quickly. If you're over 60, this isn't just aging. It's not laziness. It's not weakness of will. This is muscle loss, and it's happening right now. The medical term is sarcopenia, and by the time most seniors recognize the signs, the damage is already advanced. According to Harvard Medical School, adults lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass every decade after 30. After 60, the rate increases dramatically. By 75, many have lost up to 40% of their strength. What's at risk? Your ability to stand, your ability to walk, your ability to live independently. The National Institute on Aging says sarcopenia is directly linked to higher fall risk, longer hospital stays, poor recovery from illness, greater dependency in daily life. But here's the part almost nobody knows. Muscle loss can be reversed, not with steroids, not with heavy gym workouts, but with 6 simple foods backed by Mayo Clinic, NIH, and Harvard, and we're going to break down every one of them, how they work, what they fix, and why your life may depend on including them, starting today. Let's begin with the food that switches your muscles back on. Food 1. Whey protein isolate, your daily muscle switch. Think of muscle as a machine. To activate that machine, you need a signal. That signal is leucine, a branched-chain amino acid found in high-quality protein. The problem? Harvard Health reports that seniors develop anabolic resistance. Your muscles stop responding to regular amounts of protein. That means a 70-year-old needs twice as much leucine as a 30-year-old to trigger muscle growth. Whey protein isolate is the solution. 1 scoop delivers 25 Gr protein, 2.5 Gr leucine, the minimum required to trigger muscle synthesis, complete essential amino acids, fast absorption, even with lower stomach acid. A 2023 Mayo Clinic study showed that seniors supplementing with whey isolate after walking had 30% higher muscle retention than those who didn't. Fix. Mix 1 scoop of whey isolate in water every morning. Drink it within 30 minutes of light movement or breakfast. But there's a hidden danger. Even with protein, your muscles won't grow if they're inflamed. Food. 2. Wild-caught salmon, the muscle's anti-inflammatory armor. Muscle breakdown is accelerated by chronic inflammation, even if you don't feel it. This type of inflammation blocks the body's ability to repair and grow new tissue, and it's common in seniors with arthritis, diabetes, or heart issues. That's where omega-3 fatty acids come in. Wild salmon contains EPA+, DHA, which reduce muscle cell inflammation, vitamin D3, which improves muscle-bone coordination, astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant for cellular protection. A landmark NIH study tracked seniors who ate salmon twice per week. In just 90 days, they increased muscle density, improved walking speed, reduced post-exercise soreness and fatigue. Fix: eat 4 to 6 oz of wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times a week. Alternate with sardines or mackerel if needed. Or use a high-purity fish oil supplement if you can't eat fish. But even the best protein and fats won't work if your cells can't absorb nutrients effectively. Food 3. Cooked lentils for oxygen, energy, and muscle fuel. Your muscles need iron and magnesium to function. Iron delivers oxygen. Magnesium helps muscles relax after contraction. Most seniors are deficient in both, especially vegetarians or those on diuretics. Lentils are the solution. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 18 g plant protein, 6.6 mg in iron, 71 mg in magnesium, 15 g fiber, prebiotic compounds that improve gut health. Here's why that matters. Low magnesium causes night cramps, muscle twitching. Weakness after walking. Low iron causes muscle fatigue, brain fog, slower recovery from minor injury. In a 2022 NIH trial, seniors who ate 1-2-cup lentils 4 times a week had 2x better exercise recovery, lower blood pressure, improved endurance during walking tests. Fix. Eat 1-1 cup cooked lentils 3 phosphor-x a week. Combine with turmeric and black pepper to boost absorption. But now, let's talk about gut health. Because if your gut is inflamed, none of the nutrients you eat get used effectively. Food 4. Plain Greek yogurt for overnight muscle repair. Greek yogurt isn't just for calcium. It's one of the few foods that supports muscle in 3 different ways. 1. Casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that fuels overnight muscle repair. 2. Probiotics, which reduce gut inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. 3. Calcium, critical for muscle contraction and strength. Most seniors are calcium deficient, and many have poor gut flora from years of antibiotics, sugar, and stress. This creates a double whammy: weak muscles and poor absorption of muscle-building nutrients. In a Harvard study, older adults who consumed 3-4 cup Greek yogurt nightly had fewer muscle cramps, reported deeper sleep, improved balance, and bone strength. Fix. Eat 3-4 cup plain, full-fat Greek yogurt in the evening. Top with cinnamon, chia seeds, or crushed pumpkin seeds, not sugar. And speaking of seeds. Food. 5. Pumpkin seeds, nighttime nutrient bomb for muscle recovery. These small seeds pack enormous power. They provide zinc, critical for testosterone and tissue repair, magnesium for nerve signaling and muscle control, tryptophan, which converts to melatonin, your sleep hormone. Why does sleep matter? Because your muscles grow at night, during deep sleep. Not during exercise, not during meals. In a Harvard Medical School study, seniors who slept 6.5 hours or less lost 33% more muscle than those who slept over 7.5 hours. Pumpkin seeds support this process naturally. Fix. Eat 1 tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds 1 hour before bed. Chew slowly, add to yogurt or oatmeal. Now, on to the most misunderstood food for seniors. Food 6. Pasture-raised whole eggs, the brain-muscle connection. Most seniors avoid eggs because of cholesterol fear, but Mayo Clinic confirms, for 90% of people, dietary cholesterol does not raise blood cholesterol, and whole eggs contain choline, which improves nerve signals to muscles. B12, essential for muscle strength and balance. Healthy fats, which support hormone production. 6G, complete protein per egg. A 2023 NIH study showed that seniors who ate 2 whole eggs per day improved balance scores, boosted testosterone, yes, even in their 70s, showed increased grip strength and confidence walking stairs. But here's what's often missed. Choline deficiency mimics early dementia and weakens your muscle response time. Fix. Eat 1-2 pasture-raised whole eggs daily. Best taken with greens, avocado, or fermented vegetables. Let's recap. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need to train like an athlete, but you do need the right food, consistently. Here are the 6 foods that help seniors rebuild muscle strength. 1. Whey protein isolate, for leucine and rapid muscle activation. 2. Wild-caught salmon, for anti-inflammatory support and neuromuscular control. 3. Cooked lentils, for magnesium, iron, and plant-based energy. 4. Greek yogurt, for gut health and overnight repair. 5. Pumpkin seeds, for nighttime recovery, hormonal balance, and deep sleep. 6. Pasture-raised whole eggs, for nerve-muscle coordination and complete protein. Every food on this list is evidence-backed. Everyone is used in clinical trials. Everyone plays a role in either activating muscle growth, repairing damaged fibers, supporting deep recovery, or boosting the hormones needed to maintain lean mass. This is how you fight sarcopenia naturally, not with shortcuts, but with smart, science-driven nutrition. Because when you lose muscle, you lose independence. But when you rebuild it, you take back your strength, You reduce your fall risk. You stay mobile, steady, and self-sufficient. Every bite is either helping or hurting you now. Choose strength. Choose food that heals. Choose freedom. Start today, before it's too late to rebuild.